The 3 acts of goodness is to promote positive personal transformation and social development by encouraging individuals to cultivate good deeds, speak kind words, and maintain positive thoughts. All of this works together with the mind, body, and speech to create a feeling or showing sympathy and concern for others. Teaching the children in school the importance of positive communication, proactive kindness, and maintaining a positive mindset. Essentially, encouraging them to be mindful of their words, actions, and thoughts towards each other.
You know why? Because when I see you, I see a bright future of South Africa. You know what? If you practice every day, you memorize and do it every day, you get even more luckier. Do you like my secrets? I share with you. Please treasure and do it every day. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Fostering a more supportive and respectful classroom environment while building good character. Through these 3 acts of goodness school programs based on speaking good words, doing good deeds, and thinking good thoughts, we hope that the children can be inspired to live with these good principles, practicing mutual respect and tolerance. Like I said before, the 3 acts of goodness are to do good deeds, speak good words, and think good thoughts. These 3 acts of goodness affect our day-to-day interaction with people and our surroundings. They mold our character and improve our well-being.
No harming or bullying, helping and sharing, no littering.
As a worldwide campaign of Fokwanshan, a Buddhist institution founded by Venerable Master Xing Yun, it inspires us to lead everyone to attain its full human potential and cultivate a self-aware participation in the society. By doing good deeds means you practice and cultivate actions that create harmony between self and others. It entails respect for life. Essentially, any act of kindness that benefits others without expecting anything in return. For an example, izandla ziyagezana, umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu. Speaking good words refers to using positive, kind, encouraging, and thoughtful language, which can include examples like thank you, compliments, words of affirmation, encouraging phrases, respectful language, a considerate tone, appreciation, support, and positive feedback. For an example, ukukhuluma amagama anomusa kubanye abantu. Thinking good thoughts means you practice and cultivate thoughts that emanate wisdom, compassion, and loving kindness. Are the thoughts that automatically arise in our minds all throughout the day. Often, we are completely unaware we are even having thoughts, but with a little instruction and practice, we can learn to easily identify them and, as a result, get a better handle on your mood and behavior. For an example, ukuhlala njalo ucabanga imicabango eyakhayo. Through this 3 acts of goodness school program based on speaking good words, doing good deeds, and thinking good thoughts.
It's a pleasure. Thank you.
We hope that children can be inspired to live with these good principles, practicing mutual respect and tolerance.
Do good deeds, speak good words, think good thoughts. Do good deeds, speak good words, think good thoughts. 3 acts of goodness, bring us love and peace. 3 acts of goodness, bring us love and peace. 3